In this video, we will design an inductor using a ferrite core in PSpice and calculate its hysteresis losses. To begin, open the PSpice model editor and create a new magnetic core model. To model the inductor, define the hysteresis curve characteristics using magnetic field versus flux density, along with initial permeability and a few other parameters. From the datasheet for the ferrite material PC47, obtain the initial permeability and the graph of magnetic field versus flux density at various temperatures. Using the datasheet for the PQ core, we will reference the highlighted parameter values. Here's a list of the parameters from the datasheet required for modeling the magnetic core. Take note of the units for magnetic field and flux density. Ensure that they are converted appropriately before inputting them into the PSpice model editor. The values for the parameters path and area are also converted before being entered. In the model editor, simply input the values for magnetic field, flux density, and initial permeability. Click on Extract Model from the toolbar. This action will generate a BH curve and extract the parameter values in the Parameters window. Save the model with an appropriate name on your disk. We will use a simple RL circuit to associate the model with the inductor. Right-click on the K part and select Associate PSpice Model. Browse to the saved model on your disk and update the part. Open the property editor for the K part and set the property L1 to match the inductor L1. We will now perform a transient simulation and plot the BH curve. In the PSpice window, navigate to Plot and select Axis Settings. Change the X-axis variable to H, set the user-defined range from -2 to 2, and click OK. Go to Trace, select Add Trace, and choose B to plot the BH curve. Here is another circuit configuration where a sinusoidal voltage powers an RL load with an additional RL circuit included. The K part contains the ferrite core model and couples the inductors L1 and L2. Run the transient simulation. The PSpice plot will display the inductor currents on the bottom plot and the inductor voltages on the top plot. To calculate the hysteresis loss, go to Tools, select PSpice Calculators, and then choose Hysteresis Core Loss. This will open a dialog box with the simulated data information pre-filled. Define the core volume using the values from the datasheet and click the Calculate button. The calculated loss will appear under Core Loss. PSpice allows you to model an inductor with a ferrite core directly from the datasheet and calculate hysteresis losses using simulated data in real time.